at our destination. Here we are. Here we go. We are going. The Burger Restaurant. Restaurant ata ito, guys. Ewan ko. Oh, malapit. Ayan, guys. Nandun tayo. Wait lang. Montage muna. Kung nandun na ako, mag-start uli ako. Okay, nandito na tayo. Now, here we are. So now, nandito na tayo. We are going to check out the area surrounding. Check out surrounding. Nice. Nice surroundings. And now, we are right here. With water. And here's everything. That's our driver. Look at the nice view. Cool view. And then here, other view side. Next area we are gonna do post it again. We just got here. We're staying for like 4 days. And yeah. Gonna sit here.
Oh, dun.
Yeah. This place is more looking like it. But then I am going here. So guys, on our seats, here's the others. And now we are gonna skip to the others. Seki, say hello to the vlog. Huh? Patrick, say hello. There, say hello. Nahiya. Or shy. They are shy. Sorry guys. So now nandito na tayo. Blue seats. Cool seats.
I'm always ready, guys.
So, other food. Next, we're gonna eat chicheria later. So, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you wanna see more, click on the notification and subscribe right now. Bye! See you next time on Atkinson's vlog channel. Bye-bye!